Some car gadgets seem like great deals, until they fail when you actually need them. Before you waste your money, here are 3 car gadgets you should skip, and what smart drivers buy instead. After researching the car gadgets people buy most on Amazon, these are the ones that cause the biggest frustration, and the upgrades actually worth your money. Let's start with our first product to skip: cheap Bluetooth FM transmitters. You know the ones I'm talking about. They promise to bring modern audio to your older car, but the reality is often disappointing. The audio usually sounds like a weak radio station, full of static and fuzz. You get constant signal interference, especially in cities or areas with lots of radio towers. That means your music or podcast will constantly cut out, which is incredibly annoying on a commute. Honestly, they just feel outdated almost as soon as you buy them. Saving a few dollars here usually leads to daily frustration. So, what should you buy instead? A wireless CarPlay or Android Auto adapter. This is a game changer. If your car already has the wired version of these systems, this little device plugs into the USB port and turns your wired connection into a completely wireless one. It auto-connects every time you start the car, so your phone can stay in your pocket or on a charging pad. This instantly cleans up your dashboard, getting rid of that annoying cable that's always in the way. Best of all, there are no signal issues like with an FM transmitter. The sound is crystal clear because it uses a direct connection. Once you go wireless, it's surprisingly hard to go back. It just makes the whole driving experience smoother and more modern. Next up, let's talk about a gadget that many people buy for peace of mind, but often get wrong: ultra-cheap battery chargers. These are the budget models you see online for a shockingly low price. The problem is, they're often underpowered. This means they charge your battery incredibly slowly, or in some cases, can barely bring a dead battery back to life at all. They also tend to fail in cold weather, which is precisely when your car battery is most likely to give you trouble. And don't even get me started on the clamps. They're often flimsy, with weak springs that make it hard to get a secure connection on your battery terminals. When your battery is dead, guessing isn't a strategy. The last thing you want is a tool that might not work when you're stranded. The smart upgrade here is a quality battery charger and maintainer from a reputable brand. This is a totally different class of tool. It provides reliable and efficient charging to get you back on the road quickly. But it does more than just charge. It also protects your battery's long-term health by using smart charging technology that prevents overcharging. This is especially great for cold climates, where batteries are under the most stress. Many models have a set-to-forget-it operation, meaning you can hook it up to a car you don't drive often, and it will keep the battery perfectly topped off without you having to worry. This is the kind of tool serious drivers keep in their garage. It's about being prepared and maintaining your vehicle properly, not just hoping for the best in an emergency. Finally, the third product to skip is the no-name budget dashcam. Everyone knows dashcams are a good idea, so the market is flooded with cheap options. The issue is, you get what you pay for. The footage is often grainy and low resolution, making it impossible to read a license plate, which is one of the main reasons to have a camera in the first place. Their night recording is usually terrible, with dark, muddy video that doesn't capture anything useful. They often come with limited storage options and can be unreliable, failing to record during a critical moment. If you ever need that footage for an insurance claim or a police report, you don't want to discover your camera failed you when it mattered most. What you should buy instead is a trusted dashcam from a well-known brand. While it might cost a bit more, the benefits are huge. You get clear high-definition video quality that captures all the important details. Their sensors are designed for strong night capture, giving you usable footage even in low-light conditions. Most importantly, they offer reliable recording. These cameras are built to withstand the heat of a parked car in summer and the vibrations of the road. So they work every single time you drive. It gives you true peace of mind. It's one of those upgrades you hope you never need, but you'll be so glad it's there if you do. Most drivers waste money on gadgets that don't deliver. Stick with proven upgrades, and you'll avoid frustration later. Links to check current pricing for the recommended products are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive smart.